What's going on, buddy? Crypto Kid here, coming at you again with another video, guys. Taking this show on the road. BitBoy Crypto, if you guys watch him, inspired me a little bit. He's been taking his show off of the computer and more on the road as of late, so figured I'd try it out as well. I actually broke my laptop in school the other day, and since I was in class, I couldn't just leave the call because we were in a a Zoom call. So I basically just left the water in there like an absolute clown. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea, and just destroyed my computer. So working on getting a new device now, guys. If you want to drop a like and support the channel, that would be much appreciated, much needed at this time. Might have to liquidate some crypto, but I'm trying my hardest not to. But regardless, I did want to just kind of update you guys on the markets anyways, and give you guys basically my strategy going forward in February, and telling you guys my top 3 coins for February 2020. So right off the bat, Chainlink, guys, I know a lot of you are Chainlink holders, went all the way up to $25.50. Absolutely crazy. I think a lot of us saw that coming, and if you guys saw my video earlier, I ran some numbers at the beginning of the year. I honestly do believe Chainlink is going to $60. In terms of market cap, that's not crazy whatsoever. In fact, at this point, I'd even call it likely that Chainlink will see that. We're also seeing AVE just go absolutely crazy. It peaked out at like $350 today. Hopefully, it's since then it's pulled back to around the 280 level, but hopefully we'll see a resurgence of AVE if any of you are in that project. And then Ethereum finally broke out against Bitcoin. Bitcoin just stayed stagnant, and the market is finally decoupling from Bitcoin, which is crazy bullish. We have not seen that basically since, God, I don't even know, 2017. Hopefully the magnitude of it increases as time goes on, and these coins are really able to pump without relying on Bitcoin doing well in the day for them to do so, because that's kind of a common theme, is when Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. But if we can start to decouple the alts from Bitcoin, that's when we make the real big money, and we can even use the profits from our altcoins to gain Bitcoin for the long run, because I know a lot of us are Bitcoin long term, altcoin short term. But anyways, let's just get right into my top 3 picks for February 2020. This month for me is all about utility. We are investing with top tier projects with solid fundamentals, because we got to remember, retail investors, institutional investors are smart, whether people want to believe it or not. They're doing their research, they're finding the coins with value, and that's where the majority of their money is going. Yes, a whole lot of crap coins are going to pump regardless, and they might pump harder than coins with better fundamentals, but regardless, it's up to us to kind of find those coins with the solid fundamentals that are going to pump regardless of what happens with the other coins. So, and we also want to be if maybe we do want to secure a long-term position in some of these coins as well, so we can be confident in them throughout the bull run is kind of the point of this. So regardless, number 1 is going to be VeChain, topped out at so basically 3.5 cents at one point. Right now it's back down to 3 cents, but this is one, the market cap is still super low, well under $2 billion, and this is one that for it to 5x is not that crazy at all. And I'm honestly thinking by the end of this bull run, I think a lot of people underestimate how crazy these prices truly do go. And a coin like VeChain that has such a rock solid future and crazy high potential, we could be seeing VeChain basically 10x from here, with around a $20 billion market cap, sandwiched right in between Tether and Polkadot as of right now. So I'm honestly just taking out as much money to get VeChain as possible. That's probably my favorite project at this point in time, heading forward. So regardless, VeChain is number 1. Number 2 is going to be kind of a wait and see, and that's Chainlink. I personally already hold a bag of Chainlink, but I do want to end up putting more money into it just because I am so optimistic of its future. But I'm going to wait and hope that it pulls back to around the $22, $23 level, and that's when I'll make my big purchase of Chainlink. I know that that's definitely a little bit of a risk there, as we don't know if it's going to return, but I'm just kind of betting that I am going to be able to scoop up some Chainlink under today's prices. You guys can obviously do what you want. This is not financial advice, but Chainlink is just an incredible hold in my opinion. This is one that is very, very likely to 3x in this bull run. It could go even crazier with its Oracle protocol. So who knows? Chainlink, all I know is that the fundamentals are rock solid. The partnerships are like nothing we've seen in this space. And this is one that is vital to just the kind of the crypto economy as a whole. So Chainlink is my number 2 pick. And then number 3, going to be switching it up a little bit, going with Algorand, coin rank number 51 at this point in time. This is one, market cap is still under $700 billion. Once again, rock solid fundamentals, very good team. Some people coin it the Ethereum killer, but as we've seen with a lot of these projects, they're not actually kind of out to get each other. They just kind of want to find success on their own. So with a coin like Algorand, has a team that's so we can just like rely on them to continue to make improvements. Just trustworthy is the word I'm looking for. Rock solid fundamentals, tiny market cap. This is one that realistically could be seeing a 10x, just like we're thinking VeChain could, because the market cap is so low and the fundamentals are so rock solid. Who knows, maybe even a 25x could be possible down the line. This is one that does, in my opinion, have the potential to do that, just because the market cap is so small, and it would be so easy for the price to increase as time goes on. So anyways, those are my top 3 coins for February 2021. Let me know in the comments if you guys agree. I'll hopefully be doing more videos like this in the future. Let me know if you like this style. Sorry for any of the outside noises, but yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Getting to work on getting that new computer, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.